Okay, so ito yung Waitangi Treaty Grounds. Okay, so this is where the Treaty of Waitangi was signed, dun sa spot na yun. Ito yung anak nung
ni Hobson.
pumirma.
Ito si James Cook.
So dito pa rin
Naka-discover ng New Zealand.
sa Waitangi Bay of Islands. Yan. So yun yung treaty house.
Oo.
Okay.
May performance. So,
Okay.
hindi tayo pwede pumasok.